Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to unbox the external hard drive case from Amazon Basics. So come along with me and see what's inside. Okay, I decided I needed an external hard drive case because in case we go on travels and such, I can take my computer with me, I can download the video that's on the cameras, and this seemed like a pretty good option within my budget. So it's not the most expensive by a long shot, but there are some cheaper ones out there, but it didn't seem to have, I should say the cheaper ones didn't seem to have what I needed with a case. So this was kind of like the nice little middle ground for me. So let's open this thing up. It came in a nice manila envelope. Okay, and here it is. I'll put that on the side. There we go. So it's very basic. Just zip that thing open. Now the thing that I did like about this is, I mean, it's not the most cushy in this, but it does have a kind of a semi-hard case, as you can see. But it has this little pocket here that you can put the cables and cords in. So all you do, you take your drive, you pop that right on in here. Just like that. And then you can fold up the cable, put it right on in there. Close it up, nice and tight. And it is safe for transport. Exactly what I wanted. So thank you for coming along with me to unbox the Amazon Basics external hard drive case. If you like these little mini unboxings, let me know in the comments below. Also, go check out my UK counterpart. His channel is called Cheap Reviews. Very entertaining, very funny. So go over and check him out as well. But until then, I'd really appreciate it if you could like this video, write a comment, and please subscribe. Oh, and hit that bell while you're at it. As always, have a great day.